Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and this is my entry into Doc Machina's 100 subscriber giveaway. So first of all, huge congratulations on the 100 subscriber milestone. Although I notice now I am so late to this party, you've got over 220. So, huge congratulations, and I'm sure you're going to be flying up to 500 soon and well beyond that. The requirement for this is to talk about our favorite picking, and normally that would be single pin for me. I do kind of nearly all kinds of lock entry. But single pins, where is that for me? But fundamentally, what I really love to do is I like to make a tool. And the best locks for making tools, for ones where you have to make lots of tools, are disc detainers. So they are a very strong favorite simply because of how many tools you have to make. I made this recently. This is a Cheeto pick. Normally because they're in orange. This one is obviously in stealthy black. I've had to make the tip, I've had to make the tensioner, I've had to make the body, and then chase out all the threads because 3D printing is not the most straightforward thing. And what I thought I'd do is, in honor of a 100 or 220, pick this HeHe disc detainer. It's not entirely straightforward. It's a nice little lock. It's very clicky, but it's retensioning. So I'm going to have to counter rotate on the last disc to pop the lock open. So let's get this set up. And hopefully we'll get it picked in hand. It'll play ball. So let's just get on the first disc. That's the first one, right. That's one. Two. That's a zero cut. The zero cut, so this one, yeah, this should be the last disc. Yeah, it's a zero cut, so we'll put that back and we'll tension off of that and counter rotate the main body here if I don't slip off the disc, which I just did. There you go. Open. Right. Awesome. So, Doc Machina, congratulations. Here's to many more. Cheers.